Maybe sweating it all out at the sports hub, or kayaking over a relaxing weekend just to put it all back on at your favourite hawker centre, Old Airport Road.
Today, STL Properties brings you to the biggest new launch of this year in the rest of Central Region, District 15, 3 minutes walk to Dakota MRT station, a launch that everybody's been waiting for, Grand Dunman. Purchased under the government land sales in June 2022 by Sing Hai, Grand Dunman is located on a huge land plot of over 270,000 square feet, yielding over 1,000 units. Expect unparalleled convenience, situated next to Dakota MRT, which is 4 stops to Suntec City and Millennial Walk, 2 stops to Singapore Sports Hub, where you can catch concerts by popular artists such as J Cho and Blackpink. In the other direction, 1 MRT stop brings us to the vibrant Paya Lebar Central with outdoor dining areas, pedestrian-friendly streets and commercial offices at Paya Lebar quarters.
Right now, we're just next to the site of Grand Dunman. Apart from easy accessibility to workplaces such as CBD and Paya Lebar, livability is elevated with recreational spaces aplenty, such as this park connector that leads all the way to Singapore Sports Hub, Kallang Wave Mall, and even to Gardens by the Bay. In addition, East Coast Park is just a 5-minute drive away. Apart from the popular Old Airport Road Hawker Centre, with famous food stalls such as Nam Sing Hokkien Mee and Sing Mei Siang Lor Mee, you're also nestled in between the vibrant eateries of Tanjong Katong as well as the Geylang and Sims vicinity.
For families with children, you'll be pleased to hear that Kong Hwa School and Tanjong Katong Primary School are within 1 km of Grand Dunman.
Now let's take a look at the transformation happening in this area. Situated at the fringe of the Kallang planning area, Grand Dunman will stand to benefit from the 89-hectare Kallang Alive project that has been underway along the Kallang River and Kallang Basin, creating one of the world's most sustainable sports precincts. Apart from offering a greater array of international sporting events with the Kallang Tennis Centre and the Kallang Football Hub, local programs can also have their stage with events such as the National School Games Finals.
Towards the north of the sporting arena, we have several white sites around both Kampong Bugis and Kallang Airport. Kampong Bugis is to be developed in phases, potentially yielding 4,000 dwelling units and 50,000 metres square of gross floor area for complementary users such as retail, service apartments and offices. The Geylang area is also undergoing transformation with an entire stretch of residential land converted to commercial institutional zoning under the 2019 Master Plan. Closer to home, there is also a large plot of land opposite Grand Dunman with the same plot ratio zone for residential use and several other residential plots of land within the vicinity yet to be announced for development. This will also help to support prices in the future.
On this note, Grand Dunman was purchased at a price of 1,350 PSF per plot ratio, $48 higher than their 99-year leasehold neighbour, Tembusu Grand. Tembusu Grand sold at an average of 2,465 PSF on launch day, an estimated 20% margin from their break-even. If we apply a similar margin structure, we should expect average prices to be about 2,544 PSF. The strength of this area can be seen from neighbouring projects such as Dakota Residences, Waterbank at Dakota, Sunny Spring, and Waterina, which have all experienced a good run-up in prices since launch. In fact, a 3-bedder at Waterbank at Dakota has recently transacted at 2,011 PSF in March, despite being a 14-year-old development, solidifying the strong potential of this area from private property seekers.
Should Sing Hai indeed price Grand Dunman at an average of 2,544 PSF, this is just 27% premium versus the last transacted at Waterbank at Dakota, which we would consider reasonable given the difference in age. Another factor we consider is that resale properties in Dakota area tend to be larger sized in units. Hence, even if the PSF may be lower, the total quantum may not necessarily be much lower than Grand Dunman.
In terms of exit strategy, Grand Dunman can look forward to HDB upgraded demand from newer flats that will MOP in the next 5 to 10 years. It also has strong anchor points such as reputable schools within 1 km and proximity to MRT, supporting Grand Dunman's value over the long run.
In addition, the Dakota area has also enjoyed a very strong track record with over 90% profitable transactions within the last 10 years. So Boren, in a nutshell, why is Grand Dunman good for both investors and own-stay buyers alike?
Well, transformation, 1 km from reputable primary schools, proximity to MRT stations, large plot of land, and presence of HDB upgraders are just some key factors why we feel Grand Dunman is poised to perform. However, actual pricing, floor plan layouts, and how this fits into your property journey are key important factors of consideration for us as well. If you're looking for Grand Dunman for your own stay or investment, feel free to contact us for a deeper analysis.
Thanks for staying tuned to yet another episode of STL Properties new launch series. Please scan the QR codes to WhatsApp us for more information about Grand Dunman. Please like and subscribe STL Properties SG YouTube channel for more updates. Till next time!